வழங்குபவர்கள் Paces Pay, secure digital payments with multiple features and great success rate.
My 5 years in Wayanad completely changed the way I think about my politics and my work. Because when I came here, I found that I had a completely different type of relationship with the people of Wayanad. Normally, as politicians, we have a political relationship. It's like a transactional relationship. You have to do this for us, we will do this for you. But in Wayanad, that was not the type of relationship. And also, I realized one thing. I started politics in 2004 and I became the MP of Wayanad in 2019. And for 15 years, in my politics, I did not use the word love. And after I came to Wayanad, the word love entered my political vocabulary. And when I went on the Bharat Chodo Yatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, the main idea of that yatra was to use love and affection as a political instrument. Meaning, even if the person who is standing in front of you is abusing you, hates you, wants to hurt you, you don't respond in the same way. That is what I learned from the people of Wayanad. That's why I'm wearing this t-shirt. You see? So that everybody can see what I learned from you. Wayanad is the only constituency, not only in India, but in anywhere in the world, that has 2 members of parliament. You have one unofficial member of parliament, and hopefully you will have one official member of parliament. So you will see both of us raising Wayanad's issues in parliament. You'll see both of us fighting for your issues in parliament. I'd like to once again thank you for the tremendous love and affection that you have always shown me. And I told my sister this morning that I want her to take up one challenge. In 5 years, that Wayanad's name should be recognizable as a tourist destination, not only in India, but in the entire world. And I will help her in whatever way to do this. And I hope all of you will support my sister and make her win with a thumping majority.
I have travelled across Wayanad constituency. I've been this side, down the lower side, upper side, all sides of the constituency. And I have tried to understand from all of you what your problems are. I have met farmers, banana farmers, rubber farmers, homestay owners, owners of small businesses like the ones I see here, shopkeepers. I have met young women trying to make a life for themselves. Young men, educated, looking for employment opportunities. Young soccer players, playing with great motivation. And every single person I have met has inspired me in some way or other. I believe that all of you represent the most beautiful part of our country. Everything that is beautiful about India is here. Love and brotherhood amongst Hindus, Muslims, Christians. The motivation to build, to grow, to make a new enterprise for yourselves, to make a brighter future for yourselves. Natural beauty, everything is right here. Now you have given me so much, and you have stood by my brother Rahul at a time that was most difficult for him. And I am his sister, so I know how sad he is to leave Wayanad. But I also know that he is happy that I am here instead of him. Because he knows that I know him, and he knows that I understand the deep respect and love he has for you. And he knows that I will work as hard as he did to fulfill your dreams, your expectations, and to build a better future for you. You have long-standing problems here, like the night ban, like the man-animal conflict, deep problems, old problems that we need to work together to find a resolution for. And if we work hard to strengthen the farmers here and to create opportunities in food processing, packaging, for the agricultural produce, and at the same time, if we give a big push to tourism, I think you have a bright future ahead of you. So if you give me a chance to repay this love and to work hard for you, to fight shoulder to shoulder with you for all your problems to be resolved, then Rahul will tell you that I am the best fighter you can get. And like him, I will not bow, I will not bend, I will not compromise with our ideals, with the ideals of the constitution and this country.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம OH தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.